The ioLight compact cell imager is a small inverted microscope that goes inside an incubator or safety cabinet, primarily used for mammalian cell culture. So the sample goes on here and the images are taken from below. You put the sample in a tea flask or a well plate. We make 3 different compact cell imagers. The first one here is the Brightfield only version. So this has illumination from the top, from above here, that goes through the cells into the camera. So that's what's known as a Brightfield cell imaging. All 3 of them do that. They all 3 do the Brightfield cell imaging. This is the cheapest version that only does Brightfield cell imaging. This one does Brightfield cell imaging, but also blue fluorescence. So you can see there's a blue fluorescent illuminator coming from below here. So it will do Brightfield, or you can switch it into blue fluorescent mode, blue excitation fluorescence mode. Now this one here does the same as these two, so it does Brightfield and it does blue excitation fluorescence, but it also does green excitation fluorescence. You can see the green. So this one is what we call the dual band fluorescence version of the compact cell imager. Brightfield, blue excitation and green excitation fluorescence. So there are the 3 models. If you check out the website and go into the product section, you'll see the 3 different models of the compact cell imager. Thanks very much.